Clean technologies are on the rise. They are attracting massive investments. This signals a global shift. Sustainability is no longer optional. Clean tech encompasses a range of sectors. Renewable energy is a major player. Sustainable agriculture and electric transportation are also included. These technologies aim to reduce environmental impact. They offer a path towards a more sustainable future.
Global investment in clean tech has skyrocketed. Billions are pouring into this sector. Venture capital firms are particularly active. They see the potential for significant returns. In 2023 alone, clean tech investments reached record highs. The number of deals also surged. This indicates strong confidence in the industry's future. Investors are betting on a greener tomorrow.
Geographically, clean tech investment is concentrated in certain regions, with significant focus on Europe and Asia. Europe and Asia-Pacific are leading the way in the global clean tech revolution. These regions have implemented supportive policies that encourage sustainable development. They are also home to innovative clean tech companies, driving advancements in clean technology.
China, in particular, has become a clean tech powerhouse, setting new standards. The country is investing heavily in renewable energy, building vast solar and wind farms. It is also promoting electric vehicle adoption, with numerous charging stations and electric cars on the road.
Europe remains a hub for clean tech innovation, fostering research and development. The region is home to numerous startups and established companies, all contributing to a greener future.
Section 4. Sectors ripe for disruption. Within clean tech, certain sectors are attracting the lion's share of investment. These investments are driven by the urgent need to address climate change and environmental degradation. These sectors offer significant potential for growth and impact. They are not only economically viable, but also essential for a sustainable future. They are also ripe for disruption by innovative technologies. These innovations promise to revolutionize traditional practices and bring about more efficient and eco-friendly solutions. Agriculture and food. Vertical farming and precision agriculture are gaining traction. These methods optimize space and resources, making farming possible even in urban settings. These technologies address food security concerns. By producing more food locally, they reduce dependency on long supply chains. They also minimize the environmental impact of agriculture. Sustainable practices ensure that farming can continue without depleting natural resources. Transportation and logistics, electric vehicles or EVs, are transforming transportation. They offer a cleaner alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Investment in EV charging infrastructure is also increasing. This is crucial for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Sustainable logistics solutions are being developed. These innovations aim to make the entire supply chain more eco-friendly. These aim to reduce emissions from shipping and delivery. By optimizing routes and using cleaner vehicles, companies can significantly cut their carbon footprint. Energy and power. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind dominate investment. These sources are abundant and produce no greenhouse gases. Energy storage solutions are also gaining attention. Effective storage is essential for managing the intermittent nature of renewable energy. These technologies are crucial for grid stability as renewable energy penetration increases. They ensure a reliable supply of electricity even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Materials and chemicals. Bio-based materials are replacing traditional plastics and chemicals. These materials are derived from renewable sources and are biodegradable. These sustainable alternatives reduce reliance on fossil fuels. By using plant-based materials, we can decrease our carbon footprint. They also minimize waste and pollution. Sustainable materials break down more easily and don't contribute to long-term pollution. Resources and environment water desalination technologies are attracting funding. These technologies are essential for providing clean water in areas facing water scarcity. Waste management and recycling solutions are also receiving funding. Effective waste management is crucial for reducing landfill use and recycling valuable materials. These technologies address resource scarcity and pollution. By innovating in these areas, we can create a more sustainable and cleaner world.
Section 5, a global imperative. The growing investment in clean tech is driven by several factors. Climate change is a major concern. Governments worldwide are implementing policies to reduce emissions.
Consumers are also demanding environmentally friendly products and services. The transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future is a global imperative. Clean tech plays a crucial role in this transition. It offers solutions to pressing environmental challenges.
Section 6. The future is clean. The future of clean tech is incredibly bright. Investments are expected to continue flowing into this sector, driving innovation and expansion. As technologies mature and costs decrease, clean tech solutions will become even more accessible to everyone. This will drive further adoption and exponential growth in the industry. The increasing demand for environmentally friendly solutions is undeniable and continues to rise. Businesses and investors recognize this trend and are eager to capitalize on it. Clean tech is not just about saving the planet, it's about securing a prosperous, sustainable and thriving future for all.